Nice. 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 Survival. What programme shall I put on the telly? I know. That programme's called, what's this here? Out! School prison? Yeah, I said, it'll be great. I had to reach up to get to the cherry on the top. Got it. Oh, in the mouth. It was lovely. Then there was some jelly stuff, and actually, that wasn't very nice. It was horrible. Then I got to the trifle, soggy cake, and that was even more horrible. I couldn't bear to put it in my mouth. I couldn't even put it in my cheeks. I hunched my shoulders and spat some onto my plate. So I start to sulk. I make my eyes go dim. I push my lips out to make myself look all rotten. All right, I said, all right. But I wanted a wee, and they wouldn't let me. And I cried. And everything was lovely once again. Wonderful. And then we went home.